Happy Halloween from the RTI gang. I'd like to introduce you to everybody. Don't be scared. Who are you? Becky.
I'm compromised containment.
I am the ghost of Containment Past.
PPE.
PP man.
I am Princess de Poix.
I'm Mr. Containment Structure Man!
And last but certainly not least,
We will defile everything.
Oh God! Bounce off! Bounce off!
No!
Keep back! Keep back!
My
Keep
baby!
him up! I got him against the wall! That's it! Source containment! Source containment!
You'll never defeat me!
okay, everybody regroup for the test.
Oh, they may have gotten me this time. But they'll never find me in the corner of the bathroom. I'll be back. And when I am, I'll show them. I'll show them all.
Of course, we like having fun, but we also like to share tips and knowledge in all we do. So here's a little bit about containment and why we chose it. We use containment in many different applications in our industry. It can be used for dust control, to shrink the drying area. It can be used to restrict access. And we, of course, use it to simply just control contaminants. But we have some tips that are very important to remember this Halloween. Chuck, what are some of your best containment tips for us?
The most important thing is get educated on how to do the process. Secondly, identify the containment and set yourself up the proper containment system to handle the project. Thirdly, develop a protocol for the containment actions. Fourthly, follow that protocol very safely. And fifth, hopefully you will never be meeting the ghost of Containment Past.
Oh, that's very Chuck. Chuck, is it important to use fire retardant rated containment, poly, in your containment systems in a structure?
Fire and slip retardant.
Okay.
Our biggest issues, of course, in safety are slip and fall. But a scary story and a true one. There was an electric heating system that was providing heat to a containment of asbestos and lead abatement folks. All 25 men working hard inside the containment when the heater caught fire. As the heater caught fire, it lit up the ductwork. As the fire was approaching the containment, smoke was starting to fill the containment. But Mr. Hole Watcher, our safety attendant, super safety attendant man, came in with his fire extinguisher, put out the ductwork, and saved the containment and all of the people.
I'm glad everybody was okay, Chuck.
It was a scary one, especially filling out all of the forms for OSHA afterwards.
That's right. And then, of course, we always want to use what millage when we're dealing with contaminants like
Stachybotrys, oh my! 6 mil is the recommended, but remember for light containment, you could just use 1.